process that brought you so far? The process.
No, number one thing is the Electoral Act of 2026 clearly spelled out that the going forward, that the primaries of Nigerian election process will be either direct primary or consensus. Where the parties that are contesting the election agrees to step down, it becomes a consensus election. But whereby they are unable to settle, it becomes something that will go through the direct primary. And direct primary debates, that will be election of the card-carrying members of our party in the wards. And all the wards would have to vote to produce their candidates in the various constituencies. In this election, we had three contenders. And number one is myself. Second person is respected, distinguished Senator Atuma. And then the third person is respected Rep. Samuel Onebo, who was my successor in the House of Representatives. But however, these elections were fairly contested, and then the party organized a free and fair direct primaries, and people spoke in their voices in various wards. The collation has been done. The tabulations has also been done in various local, 6 local government, company local government that made up Abia Central, and I am the winner. People have, resoundingly elected me to be their candidate of the Abia Central Senatorial District for 2027 election, and of which that will win. The people have done they've done their assessment, and they've known that the person that possesses the capacity, the capability, and the strength to go into this contest with other parties and bring victory of this seat to the party is myself. I feel very humbled, and I wish to thank them very seriously for their judgment of bringing me into this situation of carrying the flag of the party to bring victory to the party in Abia Central Senatorial District. I feel very humble, and I assure them today that this assignment given me will not in any way be truncated. It's going to be an assignment that will bring to fruition by bringing the seat of the Senate of Abia Central to All Progressive Congress. Thank you.
So with the contest and the atmosphere, are you sure that APC will clinch this seat with other contenders from other political parties?
I think your question is in retrospect. I've answered this question even on my speech.
Yes.
I told you after the due assessment, the party have actually assessed it, and the people have also assessed it. And if you're doing your journalism, you do what they call a survey, even within the people, demographically in class, you will understand that this man standing before you, whom the party has given the ticket to fly the flag, will convincingly, resoundingly bring victory to the party by next election in 2027, January 6th.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
On your Monday.